Hello friends, in this lecture I am going to talk about the Caroline period. My dear friends, Caroline period start from 1625 to 1649. It means the period of 24 years. This period is widely known for the conflict and civil war between the Charles I and the Puritans. One more thing that we should know is why this period is known as the Caroline, because of the name of Charles I. Means the Latin version of Charles I is Caroline, and with that name we can say the era between the 1625 to 1649 is Caroline age. And this period is also very important in the history of British, because of the expansion of the British power and the colonization of Britishers in the New World. Means the British and the Europeans used to come in the Asian country and African country, especially for the purpose of trade. And the now next thing that we should know is why there was a conflict. There was a conflict between the Charles I and the Puritans. All the supporters of Charles I were known as the Cavalier, and the supporters of Parliament were Puritans. Often the members of Cavaliers are poets. Some of the important Cavalier poets are John Suckling, Richard Lovelace, and Thomas Carey. John Suckling and Richard Lovelace are considered as the tribe of Ben, because they were the staunch supporter and follower of Ben Jonson. And now next, Thomas Carey. Thomas Carey used to write courtly poetry and love verse. This was not only the period of Cavalier poets, but also periods of religious poets. Some important religious poets of this period are the George Herbert, whose theme was based on the theology and God. He was very famous for writing the poetry. His famous poetries are The Collar, The Pulley, The Temple. And dear friends, one more name, Richard Crashaw. So friends, after a brief discussion of Jacobean and Caroline age, today we will discuss about the interregnum. My dear friends, the interregnum starts from 1649 to 1659. This period is also known as the Commonwealth period. Here one important thing is to know that this period was famous for the conflict between the Charles II and the restoration of Charles II for the restoration of monarchy and the Parliament. After the study of interregnum, we can say that this period marks the transition between the restoration period and the Jacobean period. Some important writers of this period are Jeremy Taylor. Jeremy Taylor was a distinguished writer of during this period, and the works of Jeremy Taylor were about the religious and devotional poetries. The next writer is Isaac Walton. Dear friends, Isaac Walton was a self-educated poet. The friendship with his eminent writer made him to write the various autobiographies. He write mainly two biographies. The one is the life of John Donne, and the second one is the life of George Herbert. And now the next writer of this period is Henry. Now the next writer of this period is Margaret Cavendish. She was the first lady to be allowed in the court of Royal Society. She wrote mathematical philosophy, poetry, and various texts on various subjects. Now, what are the condition of the poetry during this period? We have heard the name of Andrew Marvell. He belongs from the age of interregnum. Dear friends, one name Abraham Cowley also came in the existence. He was the author of The Mistress. It is believed that after John Donne and Milton, Andrew Marvell is the most widely read writer of 17th century. His famous works is To His Coy Mistress. Thank you.